Wow, my Indian. Just from these beautiful people. Say hi to them. Very what? It's very what? Okay, you guys there. Nice to meet you. Oh, nice to meet you. 有啊，为什么你很漂亮？你说你好。好 ，Hello。How are you？ 哇 ，Give me 5。哇，我们走吧。哇，拜拜，晚安。Yellow ball. Yellow. Okay, so guys, I'm here and I'm gonna order some drink. Drink here. Okay, so we're gonna be drinking this today. Say hello to this beautiful young woman. Hello, ma. Okay, she's done. Shishania. Very what? It's very what? Okay, you guys are so beautiful. But I wanna eat this. There, I want to eat noodles. Okay, so I'm buying noodles from these beautiful people. Say hi to them. Okay, so she's gonna make it. Yeah, I want this. 这个是辣椒是不是？
你会省，你会的，你会他菜叶子啊！别说了，也是这给我整尴尬了，我在把我菜都给唱出来了。
我不会说，我不会说太多了。
吃辣吗？
辣，对，微辣可以。
微辣哈。啊，你的英语，不，你的英语，你的中文说的好厉害。
Good 吗？谢谢。你为什么你们不会英语啊？
因为我会啊。
你会吗？
我会啊。
真的吗 ？A little。他骗我。Okay, so you're making my noodles for me, and I'm gonna be trying them later. So, this beautiful young woman here, so beautiful, right? Wow, you're so beautiful 啊！你真的漂亮。你是本地人吗？
我不是。
你是哪里人呢？
重庆的。
哇塞！
你知道重庆吗？
对呀，重庆人漂亮。So she's from Chongqing.
过几年了？
啊，3年多。
3年多。
对，真的吗？
真的，说的很好。
Okay, so she's making my noodles for me. She's from Chongqing and adding some things.
这是重庆的。
Chongqing 面 oh.
的做法啊。
So I'm trying Chongqing food. Let's try Chongqing meal today. So we're gonna be trying Chongqing food today. Hello, ma. Okay. 坐哪里啊？
扫这里。
Okay. So I'm gonna scan here. I'm gonna scan this and then pay for this and then go. Okay, I just finished my meal and I'm gonna continue my journey. 对，谢谢。
玩微信吗？
你们吃好吃。
好吃啊！
对，You're welcome. See you.
你玩不玩微信啊？要不加一个？W 叉。你玩不玩微信啊？
什么？你说什么？
你手机上又是什么软件啊？我感觉跟你沟通不好。
Okay, yeah, 非常 good. Nice to meet you. Oh, nice to meet you.
没有微叉，微叉。
有 WeChat. Oh,
加一个。
你可以加微信吧？
他会讲普通话吗？
会呀。把你闭上手写的 English speak。
Oh, nice to meet you too.
好吃吗？
非常好吃。
好吃。
对。
吃凉粉好吃啊，小美你看着好吃啊。
你说
OK 走。
？OK.
哎 OK， 我这样，拉手。
Okay, so trying to take a picture of me. Okay. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. See you. Bye. So these guys are really funny though. I think so. I'm gonna try to find new spots of food. Yeah. So I'm gonna go try new. This is barbecue here. I've been eating barbecue too much often, so I'm not gonna try barbecue. I'm gonna try something different. So still on the 9th life here. I think this is pretty common. This could be. 这个是茶吗？啊，我喝过，谢谢。好吧。
喝不？行，晚上就跟你喝。你去点牛杂，我请你。
This could be okay. There's another barbecue shop. Barbecue. Fried chicken. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is hamburger. So I think this is the lower side. This side got people walking in pairs. Everyone is walking in pairs. Lemon tea, another lemon tea. Oh, I already drank lemon tea. This bike looks cool. Another barbecue. So all this side is made of barbecue. Another lemon tea. Oh, let me try this game. I want to try this. 对，我想玩。Okay. Oh, 你们过年吗？
哦，准备收摊了。
Okay. So I'm gonna try shooting something. Okay. This is our gun, and then she's loading it up with a bullet. Let's see if I can get a gift. Okay. 哎，是不是？
做。
好，你可以 hold it this way. 这样子this way. No. Okay. 我来。没事，你 just hold it. Okay, let's see how many we can get from here. Orange ball.
拿一下，拿一下。
Okay. Yellow ball. Pink ball. Yellow ball. Yellow. 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 Another yellow. Let's do
可以了，
pink.
都好打，慢慢打。
粉色. Oh, miss one. Oh,
慢一点，不要要求一点。
没有吗 ？Okay, 有。I missed you. Purple.
没有了。
没有。
再打一次，要不要？
不要。
中了18个，18个，这个小娃娃一个。
哦，你送我一个吗？
这是送你的。
哇，谢谢。
啊，这是你该得的。来，等一下啊。
你厉害呀。
稍微再打准一点就是20分了。
好。So I got to pay for this. 谢谢。
这个送你一个，你选一个。
Okay, so
看你要哪一个？
he's gonna give to me one with this. No, 我没有女朋友啊。How to do with this?
赶紧找一个中国女朋友。好，这个。
He's saying he's gonna give me.
红包。
哦，对不起。
啊
OK， 这个。
要哪一个？
谢谢。So I go this one. 我走了。拜拜，晚安。So, ooh, I dropped my gift. This is what I got from him. I think the food here pretty looks similar, other food. And then the coffee. That's gonna be hamburger. The coffee thing, if I drink coffee, I can't sleep because it's late. Let's check the time. It's around 12. 你好。Okay. So this is really far from the city though. It's closer to the seashore, to the beach. And people drive all the way here just to have fun. Eat around this lovely place. Sorry. So the nightlife here is totally insane, crazy. You got a lot of small snacks from all over China. This could be another tea. Then we have that one too. This is an ice cream joint. Hello. This is it jam? Oh, I think I should do watermelon. Let's do fresh squeezed juice. 西瓜。Yeah, I want 西瓜。一杯。
加冰吗？
对，加冰。So she's gonna.
这个15。
小的，我吃很多。我吃很多。这个是炸的 ，fake。假的 ，Look at the big orange here。
这也是假的。
哇塞，这个是真的，是不是 ？This is real. This is fake. And then this is fake too. Let's see the process. So she's squeezing the watermelon. So we're gonna get a fresh juice. I'm gonna be trying a lot of food today.
大妈人给早餐了，他给你们做。
这么近，那谁会觉得你
大妈人了，你大呀？那你就要你他妈人，对，那你几个你妈人就你他妈人。
So she's gonna squeeze the fresh liquid out of the juice.
你是小杯哦？
是的，
大杯，
小杯。
我做大杯喝，没事。你看什么？
没事，小杯的。
不打你的饮料。小杯是这个哦。
对，没事。
你烟草这个没有人烟？啊？你烟草这个没有人烟？
从那边跑来这边干嘛？
卖冰块呀，推销招。冰块呀，推销扎啤，推销冰块呀。
扎啤这边。
啊？有人在卖，但是他不是潮日火的。普通话很好哦。
No。
几年啊
3年。
3年很会讲普通话。
多少钱呢？
算你10块钱就好了。
谢谢。So she gifted me discount.
有在实施吗？
晋江。
哇，
支付宝收款
很厉害。
真的吗？
中国很好哦。
对，中国很好啊。下次晚安。Oh. So I got my fresh juice here. Oh, this is. 你们买什么东西啊？酒吗？
有也有啊。
哦 ，OK， 我不。
火生蛋，这种我不敢接。
这个是什么呀？
芦笋冻这里的特产，海鲜呐。
Please. Another barbecue joint. So we got hamburger here. So everything is fine. It's too noisy. That's why I'm not talking a lot today. It's very, very noisy. 你买什么东西啊？
这个好吃哦，这个是提拉米苏。
哦。
没的，还有弟弟的。
没，谢谢，下次吧。I need something today. This is tea, another tea. Wow, which food is? Wow.
一下，外国的朋友。
好，这个多少钱？
这个打这个，20元15枪就给你这个了，朋友。
你给我这个。
哎，对你只要中了15枪就可以给你1盒。
这个呢？
这个嘛。
对。
这个30元20枪，中了20枪随便挑。
30。
这里朋友这里，应该认识中文吧？
你都听得懂啊？
就是20枪全中，随便挑，喜欢哪个就可以挑。
30。
对。
是完蛋的。
对，但是20枪的话要全部都中啊，朋友。
啊？全部。
你每枪都要中，然后就随便挑一个。
OK。
OK 是吧？要哪一个枪？要不要先试一下？
这个是我的。
好，没事，放在这里了。
Okay. So guys, I wanna get this big one, right? He said it's 20, and I'm gonna get it. Okay.
你要哪一个枪，朋友？
哪一个？
这里有2个枪，你可以选一个。
这个很大的是。
这个是这里，你看一下这里。这里的话是20元6枪，6枪打中随便挑。
6000。
对。就是说打这个小气球嘛。
我慢说，你说慢一点好不好？
说一下啊，20元6颗子弹。6个子弹打6个气球的话，就是不出子弹不算，朋友啊。对，直接扣就可以了。
OK， 全部是不是？
哎，对， 这一板是21个气球，你只要打20个，20发全中的话就是随便挑一个。
没，
不用，直接扣一下。对
OK
一个打啊。对，你打吧。1个、2个、3个、4、
哦，
5、6、7。
啊，
出了一个啊。
看，
8、9、10、11、12、没有了啊。
没有，
哎，对，
所以你给我吗？
你没有打中20箱吗，朋友？
20，
哎，对啊，
对，20，这个是20，是不是？
你出了20个子弹，
要爆，要爆！
你没有打爆20嘛？这里是21个气球，这一板是21个气球，也就是说你只能剩一个，这3。
凉皮凉面要来一份吗？
这个是沙拉吗？
这个类似于沙拉，凉皮凉面。
Oh, no. So this is the whole place. It's a new area and then it's being developed, so all the local food vendors come here to sell their products, their food. Normally, snacks, night snacks and other things, different types of snacks. Today it's not really active. Today the weather is a little bit cloudy, so I think that is the reason why people didn't come out today. But it's a beautiful place. You can see a lot of people are walking in pairs, two. So if you go in Lava and then you want to come out, this is the best place to come to. You can try so many nice snacks here. It's beautiful. Okay guys, I'm gonna be heading home now. Please help share my video, like, comment and subscribe to it. Thanks, and this is your boy Joe Plus in China. Okay, bye. Wow, 慢一点。Wow, this guy is so crazy. This kid's a kid. 你们住哪里啊？
我住保利。
真的吗？
啊，你也是？
我也是。
几栋啊
？5栋。
我住38栋。
OK，哇塞！对。So I met this kid. They write so nice and it's so cool. 你们会说英语吗？会。哎呀 ，Hello. Oh, I see. So cool. This kid's right so cool on the streets, you know. 啊，没事吧？你很漂亮。你说你好。
你好 ，Hello。
对 ，Hello. How are you? 哇 ，Give me 5. 哇，我们走吧，是吧？拜拜，晚安。